Good morning, y'all. This is Tia. I'm making taco cabbage today. I thought I had some oil, some olive oil. Oh, I needed salt. Here you go. So that's what I'm doing today with ground turkey. Doctor don't know how much olive oil I use, but I got enough in the pan. And I'm using ground turkey. Yeah. I forgot about the onions because onions go in it. Don't have onions. Forgot about the onions. I don't know what I was thinking about today, but I knew I didn't have no more onions in my refrigerator. So I don't know what I was thinking about. So there's no onions in it. That's the only thing I'm liking, and I'm an onion person. Word, yes. I love onions. So wait for this to get a little done. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add garlic to it. Like 1/4 of garlic. In the video that I watched, it didn't tell me how much garlic I'm supposed to use at all. It just, they were just putting it in there. So I'm gonna say 1/4 because I like garlic. So that's why I'm gonna say that. And I don't know why I got salt on because I'm not gonna use no salt. I got Italian seasoning. This is teaspoon. It got I'm using a tablespoon thing, but it's a teaspoon. Yeah. Italian seasoning in it. Oh my God, it smells like it's cooked already. Y'all didn't watch, I did a video early today when I went to the gym. It was morning, it's still morning because it's not 12 o'clock yet, so that's why I said good morning. But I went to the gym and I had a nice little workout. It wasn't that bad. It was actually crowded. I'm thinking maybe because it's furlough, everybody stayed home today. Okay. Everybody said, hey, let me go to the gym. I don't have nothing else to do. Let's go to the gym. I was telling you earlier, I didn't lose any weight. I lost inches, which my doctor said is really good. So, with that being said, I'm all right. As long as he all right, I ain't want to go in there and be like, look, you ain't losing no weight. What you in the house doing when I know I'm doing what I'm supposed to do? Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. It's like, yeah. Y'all smell good. Like I'm really. So I've been getting little recipes together so they can have a lot of calories in it. This taco cabbage, because it's taco cabbage, supposed to be 200 calories, 250 calories. One. Knowing I can't eat a whole one, so I don't know how. And then it's protein, because the beans have 3 grams of protein. The corn had 1 gram of protein, and I don't know about the tomatoes. And the turkey had, I think they on the box it said 6 grams of protein. Y'all, it's almost done. I'll be right back, okay? TT Squad, yeah. I'm back, TT Squad. The ground beef is the ground beef. The turkey is done. Okay, I'm gonna add taco seasoning mix into here. Add the whole pack of taco mix. Okay, I'm gonna add the beans, which is a whole can of beans that I rinsed off. I rinsed them off before I put them in there because it had so much. Then I'm gonna add the corn. I think I need a bigger pan. Add a whole can of corn. And I'm adding the tomatoes. These are, I guess, the little round tinny tomatoes that I put in here. Add them and I cut them up. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. This is a lot of taco. I guess I'm eating on this for a minute. Well, my son said he wants some, but he's gonna have regular taco. I'm not gonna get him the cabbage. He don't want the cabbage. He said if the cabbage ain't fried or I regularly cook it, he don't want it. So It just don't have to be for tacos. It could be for other stuff too. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook. I think I need a bigger pan. I don't know why I didn't use this one, but because this one is much bigger. I might have cooked too much. But it's going to be good. Time I come back, I'm going to have the water on because I have to bleach the cabbage for 30 seconds. Not 30 minutes, not 1 minute, but 30 seconds. So while this is moving in, I'm going to get my pan ready to bleach my cabbage. Be right back. Hey, TT Squad. I'm back. The lettuce did not, the cabbage broke all up. So I have lettuce in it. So I rinsed my lettuce off. And I'm going to make lettuce tacos. I don't know how I'm going to do it. But this is my lunch for today. I'm just going to spread it apart. I got it on my little board. I don't know. It looks really good. I really wanted cabbage. I seen the recipe online and I was like, ooh, let me try it. And that's how I went. Didn't come out. I don't know if they had some special lettuce or what. Some special cabbage or what. But I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. And turkey meat has 20 grams of protein. For some reason, it's when you, it depends on if you eat the whole pack. That's 20 grams. So, I forgot to get my cheese. I got to get the pepper jack cheese on it. Y'all never had pepper jack cheese before, ever in my life. Never had pepper jack cheese before. But I'm about to open it and use some of it. And this is the whole thing. When I never had, I think I had taco like maybe twice in my life. I'm not a real taco person, but I got the pepper jack cheese on it. And this is what? 7 grams of protein, 100 calories for, let me see. I had one fourth cup. That's not even 1/4 cup, but that's not bad. And this is 1/4 cup, 110 calories, and 6 grams of protein. Bam. And the difference between the lettuce, I could have put the lettuce in the oven for 10 minutes. With this, I can't put this in the oven. Let's see if it wrap. See, it's not even gonna let me wrap it up. I tried. I guess I don't know if I got the wrong type of lettuce or what. Yes, paper plates. But it's coming apart, so I'm just gonna eat it like that. If y'all can find a better way of making, see, look at this. It's all apart, y'all. I'm really disappointed because I really wanted it to work. But that being said, this is my first time ever making tacos, so yeah, I did my best and this is the results. Thank y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. I'm going to try it again. Bye.